What is going on, guys? It is a super fine day in Southwest PA. If you're continuing the journey, oh my goodness, sorry, fella. If you're continuing the journey, um, this is like the third or fourth video. I'm just shooting stuff. I don't know where I am at all. I've never been on this road, but I know the general area of where it pops out. Look, yeah, there we go, boys. Look at that. Can you imagine dropping your keys? Yeah, like I've never been on this road before, but I have a general idea of where it comes out at, or something like that. I think, anyways. I recognize the name, but I figure I'll just take you guys along with me because why not? It's a nice road. I'm probably 3 hours away from home at this point in time. I don't know where I'm at. I know where I'm going. Like, I've been to Ohio Pile before, so I know the destination. I just never been on this road. And, you know, I figured, hey, I might as well just show you guys, because, you know, or whatever. I don't know. Oh, it smells so freaking nice. Beautiful home. Oh my god, that is a beautiful house. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice area, dude. Look at that. That's gorgeous, man. That's absolutely gorgeous. Thunderstorm rolling over top of that. Not right now, but like in general. That would look really, really nice. Wonder if they're like doing geocaching. Should I just go to Ohio Pal? I mean, I could. But then if I go to Ohio Pal, then I gotta go to Uniontown. I don't know if I want to go back to Uniontown. I don't know. I guess we'll just kind of see what goes on. I almost went to Lake Erie as well. Like, that was a very random thought to go and do. I'm kind of jaded because, like, back there it was really nice, at least road wise, and now it's like not. What's going on here? I should get some petrol. What is that? A slide? What is this? Oh, this is Yogi Bear. I've heard of Yogi Bear. Okay. I've heard of Yogi Bear, but I've never been there before. It's like a campground, like summer campground thing. I think there's like a couple swimming holes and private pools and camps and stuff like that. It's a half mile to the main entrance, so we'll be able to see what it's all about. I know it's like a little getaway thing. Hey, boo boo boo. Jellystone Park. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I've never been up there. Yellowstone, or not Yellowstone. What the fuck did I just say it is? Jellystone? Oh, rocks. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Damn, son. Let me find out. Let me find out. Still got a bunch of power trucks all over the place. Thank you guys so much for your hard work at the power companies for helping us all out. We got rocked by some storms. Absolutely rocked. There we go. No, there's some nice scenery again. I was getting a little mad. I'm like, oh, I like finally turned the camera on and like there's nothing to see, but it's nice. It's a nice area. It smells really freaking nice. I can't believe I ended up all the way out this way when I was going in the utmost complete opposite direction in the beginning. Like 3 or 4 videos ahead of this, the first one would have been like me talking about the demo day and those 2 bikes I rode, the MT10 and the R9, and then it just kind of branched off from there, and now here we are, like at the bottom west part of Pennsylvania, essentially. Woo, a little steep. Yeah, I guess I could always end the video at Ohio Pile, but you have been there before with me. If you watched the fall video, I was down to this area, somewhere back there, wherever the hell the other main road is, and it was like peak fall, man. It was really, really nice, and the falls looked really, really nice too. I don't know if I'm supposed to give them the biker wave. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Like, I'm down to give Harley riders the biker wave, and I'm down to give trike riders the Harley wave, but Can-Ams, I don't know. I don't know if we count them. I don't know. So on the fence, but he waved to me, so I'll wave back. I do need to get some petrol. Oh my god, it smells so nice out here too, man. I really hope that doesn't like mess the audio up too bad. It might even make it sound better, but it smells so freaking nice. Definitely looks like it might. Oh, I got my sunglasses on. That's why it's darker. Oh, it's not so bad. I thought it was a lot darker. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, man. Pennsylvania's a beautiful state, but it's an extra beautiful state if you got a motorcycle. I mean, okay, that's why I initially jumped on the road, because of falling water. I don't know where falling water is geographically on a map next to Ohio Pile. I know they're like kind of like within like the 5 to 10 mile radius of each other, I believe. Probably less than that, probably more like 3 to 5 mile radius. But whenever I was way back there 2 episodes ago, I seen 7-Eleven South, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna jump on this and I'm gonna stick on here. That's falling water, which I don't know if I could get back in there without having to buy a ticket. It is a very interesting place, falling water. Google it if you're curious. Falling Water, Pennsylvania. It's oh, what the hell is the jabroni's name? He built a couple other houses. Kentucky Knob is another one that he built, which is in this area. He's like a very famous architect. I don't know if it's like continuous US or if it was like a world-renowned architect, but very smart individual. Clouds are looking rather elevated, aren't they? Look at the depth in that. And some sheep. Man, what a beautiful freaking road, dude. What a nice road. And I'm just chilling. I mean, obviously, if you haven't found out, there's no, yeah, see what I mean? That is snapped. That tree got disrespected as hell, dude. Yeah, they got rocked up here, too. Yeah, doing some repairs. Oh, well, such a beautiful area. It smells so freaking good. There's a lot of campgrounds here, too. I want to get into moto camping, and this might be the area where I start camping at, because it's like just kind of long enough away from home where I'm like an hour and a half, 2 hours away from home, and it'll kind of give me that like kind of camping like feel. Like I don't really think I would feel like the whole camping vibe if I was like, you know, not very far away from home. But now that I'm kind of far away from the house or whatever, I bet I think it would feel a lot better. Man, it smells so nice out here, guys. I'm sorry for keep saying that, but I wonder if you know what I'm talking about. Like, do you know what smell I'm talking about? Nice. Whenever I'm talking about just like that smell, like of the soil and the trees, and just it's got a very sweet smell to it. Okay, so this is Ohio Powell. Where is the Pittsburgh Coal Formation? Right there. Okay, yeah, I know where we're at. I know where we're at because of the geology of the area. How fucking hilarious is that? So that means we are getting close to Ohio Pile. Yeah, never been on this road before. I almost want to take it coming back, because I really don't want to go through Uniontown. Like I really don't want to go down 40, and then I mean it's something that I've seen 1,000,001 times, and you're going fast. You're doing like 70, 80. I mean the speed limit's like 50, but you know what I'm trying to say. And it's just like too, I don't know. It's not nice. I want to ride with my visor down and just enjoy everything, and it's kind of hard to do that on that road and things like that. So maybe I will just hike it back up this way. And if you want to see more of this road, please let me know in the comments, and I will make the trip, because there is a lot of this road that you did not see, and it is so much prettier than this. So if you think this is pretty, let me know, dude. I will make that run for you, no problem. Great Allegheny Passage. So this is the borough of Ohio Pile. Where is the Pile of Ohio? Well, it says welcome to, so it's got to be oh, okay, it's right here. I was being a little silly, but I'm not mad at you. You a Maryland driver? That would make a lot of sense. And I want to kayak down this thing too. So if you want to see that, you let me know, my friend, and I will kayak down there. There's some murder geese down there, adorable. I think I will just go over there real quick, walk over to the falls, and end the episode, and then call it a day. Can I get in this way? I'm assuming I can, because, well, I did it anyways, because I don't care, because I have no respect for no one. That's not true at all. I respect everybody, no matter of anything. I don't know what I was trying to say. I was trying to say something, and it's just a fleeting thing. Yeah, so I don't know. This is weird. Just ended at Ohio Pile. Like I said, I've been here before, man. If you want to see this in the fall, which that's the thing to see, man. Going to Ohio Pile in the fall, or just this area in general in the fall, is absolutely amazing. That dude knows exactly what's going on in the world. Yes, sir. It's probably a little low. I'm not sure. You can hear it. You can hear it. Yeah, we'll just we'll go over here, and I will end the video. Look at them in love. Dum da dum dum dum. Look. Yeah, there we go, boys. Look at that. Can you imagine dropping your keys? There's so much cool geology down here, man. There's so much cool stuff. Yes, sir. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and all that stuff. Maybe I'll walk. I don't want to bother them. I kind of want to go down over there, though. But if you did enjoy this video for whatever reason and you want to see more content like this, the best thing to do is just stay active with me. Let me know what you want to see. You know, sharing helps. Liking the video helps. Commenting helps. Especially commenting. Just let me know what y'all want to see too, man. Because, I mean, the thing is, I'll do whatever. And I don't mean like I'll do whatever to appease somebody. But this is what I do normally. I just don't know what to record. So, hey, man, if this is something you want to see, you let me know and we'll make it happen. But again, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one.